What's up traders, let's have a quick look at NZDJPY from a weekly perspective. So from a weekly perspective, what do we have on a weekly perspective? What we know is that we have a very strong area of previous resistance now turns support in this area, and what we can expect from a weekly perspective is a push to the upside. Now if you go down on the daily time frame, it's pretty clear, pretty simple that the market is not ready yet. But what we need to see is more development of this pair. When I mean by development, I mean that the market needs to start creating higher highs and higher lows on the daily and 4 hour time frame before we actually enter into this pair. Now if you look at the daily time frame price action, it's very simple and clear that there is a strong support area over here. That's why we are getting some sort of push from that. Now once we have a good confirmation that the pair wants to go to the upside, we will definitely be taking this pair to the upside. For now, we still need to wait for a little bit more development of this pair in order for us to know that the market is going to push to the upside. So if you go down on the 4 hour time frame, it's pretty clear what we have on the 4 hour time frame. Even if you're using a Fibonacci from this low over here to the high, you guys will be able to see that the market is now starting to basically retrace, and we are looking for a push to the upside. Now if you have a look at the Fibonacci I've just drawn, you can see that the market has clearly rejected the 618 of the Fibonacci, which is better lined up with structure as well. If you have a look at previous price action, you can see that the market had made a nice push to the upside from this level because it is a very strong support area from here. Now if you have a look at price action, what can we see from a price action point of view? You see this over here, it was nice support over here, and we found nice support over here. So this makes very good confidence that the 618 Fibonacci on this level is a very strong level, and we can expect a push to the upside for this pair. So I've given you guys my TPs. When you guys enter the market, it's always better to be reactive and not predictive. So once you have a good confirmation of any sort of push to the upside, and once we have market environment changing, which means market environment changing, making higher highs and higher lows, then we will definitely be interested to take this pair to the upside, to the given targets. Once we have a bigger push to the upside, then we will definitely be looking out for different types of price action movement in this area. So if you have a look at the daily time frame, we have a very strong area of resistance over here. That's why I have basically marked my TP2 around this area, because what we want to see basically is the market reaching this area first, and then once the market reaches this area, then we will do an update on our analysis. So like I said to you guys, always be reactive and not predictive. Only if the rules of your strategy allow you to enter into this pair, then you guys can take this pair to the upside with no problem. But if the market will now start to break down and break this support area, then of course we will not take this trade to the upside. On the other hand, if the market starts to create higher highs and higher lows, market environment changing, then we will be definitely looking for a buy opportunity with a good risk reward for this pair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. Please don't forget to leave me a like and a comment below. More likes and more comments will bring more free analysis and free educational videos like this one. We will see you guys in the next analysis. Thank you for your support, and goodbye.